Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dr. Edward Radama, and this time we will be discussing how to upload your grade sheets to our official Google Drive. So there are two ways of opening our Google Drive. The first one is through the use of our FB Messenger, which is this one, the CGELA Faculty Grade Sheet Google Drive. You can directly click the link and it will automatically direct you to our Google Drive. So the names of the faculty are here. So that's the first way of accessing and opening the CGELA Faculty Grade Sheet Google Drive. The other way is through the use of your desktop. This is our desktop, and I have already created a shortcut for our Google Drive, which is represented by this icon. So I'll just drag it here. As you can see, this is the link of the Google Drive. So this is what we call a shortcut. So if you already have a shortcut and you have knowledge of creating this shortcut, then all you need to do is just to click the shortcut. Now, just in case you do not know how to create your own shortcut, I'll delete the sample shortcut. This is how you can make your own shortcut. So all you need to do is open your browser again, open your FB account in order to access the Google Drive that was sent to your messenger, whether it's in the official group chat messenger of CGELA or it is already in your personal messenger. So in this case, I already have a copy in my personal messenger. All you need to do is this. You just click this part of your screen which minimizes your window, and then after that, so I can show you what to do, I'll just adjust my screen. All you need to do is to go down to your Google Drive link and you just press the right click and continue pressing the right side of your mouse, and then just drag this link going to the desktop. Okay, drag and hold, and as you can see, it will automatically create this shortcut of the Google Drive. So you don't need to go back to the messenger. You already have it in your desktop, and then you can just set it aside. Whenever you need to open the drive, you already made icon for that Google Drive. Okay, so all you need to do is again click and open the Google Drive, and once you're already inside, you just go to your respective folder. Okay, again, go to your respective folder. So you just drag. So in this case, I'll use my folder and I'll just open my folder. Okay, you can open this by just double clicking the folder, and as you can see, I already have one folder for the prelim. So when you create a folder, in order to standardize our folders so that we can easily access, especially the staff of CGELA, whenever there are students who are inquiring about their grades or the breakdown of their grades, we are going to standardize the format of the folder that you will be creating. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a folder, and in order to do that, we're going to press this, the plus sign with the word new. Okay, so you just press new in order to add a new folder. So we're going to use new folder. So you click, hover the pointer and just click new folder, and then this is where we standardize everything. So the first thing that we will be including in the file name of the folder will be the school year. Okay, so school year will be represented by SY 23-24, which is our sample. Okay, school year 23-24. And then, if I'm not mistaken, I think it will accept comma, so that we can separate our information, the semester. So in this case, we're going to use second semester. Okay? And then after this, we're going to use the file name. So again, separated by comma. I think we cannot use hyphen. Okay? We'll try using hyphen. And then after this, we're going to include the grading period. So it's either prelim, midterm, semifinals, or finals. If this is your final grade sheet, then we're going to use finals. Okay? So how are we going to interpret this? So this will be the grade sheet for the school year 23-24 second semester, the final. So this should include the grades from prelim, midterm, semifinals, and the final grading period. Okay, so this is how we're going to use, we're going to encode our folder name whenever we create our folders. Okay, so we're going to create, and then after that, you already have your folder. Okay, next, what are we going to upload in this folder? So part of the faculty clearance will be the submission of the grade sheets. So instead of submitting your printed grade sheets, we will be utilizing soft copy versions of your grade sheets, so we can minimize the use of printed paper. So again, we will be using this soft copy. That is why it is important that you follow the standardized format every time you create your folder. So there should be two types of grade sheet that should be uploaded in this folder. So how are we going to upload? So first, you double click the folder. So I've already double clicked, and since we just created our folder, there will be no files yet. So as you can see, drop files here. Okay? So the files that we will be using are these two files. So based from your clearance form, you should submit the soft copy of the Excel file and your LMS file. What does these files look like? What do they look like? So the Excel file are the files wherein the breakdown of your grades are reflected. Okay? Again, the Excel file should contain the breakdown of the grades that you have submitted. So from prelim to finals. Okay, so this is the template that I am using for my Excel file. Okay, so again, this is a sample of the Excel file that you're supposed to upload in our Cgela Google Drive. Okay, I'm going to exit from this file. So this is the Excel file. The other file is the LMS file. What does this file look like? So when we open this, this is supposed to be the Excel file that we submit in the LMS. So this should be already completed from prelim, midterm, semifinals up to the final grading period. So this is the second file that you're supposed to upload in our official Cgela Google Drive. So I'm going to exit this so that you will have an idea of the files that you're supposed to submit. So once you're already prepared with your files, we're going to set this here on top, and then we're going to adjust our window so we can just drag and drop the files. So the easiest way is to drag and drop, which is you just highlight. If you want, you can do it at the same time by highlighting both of the files. Here, I'm going to try and capture both of the files. So here, as you can see, I've already highlighted both of the files there. Or you can just click both of them by pressing Control and click both of them. So you've already highlighted both of the files. So when you drag both of the files, you can capture both, or you can do it one at a time. Okay, so let's do the one at a time file dragging. So I'm just going to put our screen on the side so you can see how we drag the files one by one. I'm going to start with the Excel file. So you just highlight and click the Excel file. Don't double click, just click and then just hold your mouse button and drag the file going to your folder. Okay, so as you can see, uploading one item, and then you just wait. So if you're going to observe, you already have an Excel file here, and your Excel file still is in your desktop, meaning you just created a copy and uploaded that copy in your folder. The next is the LMS grade sheet. So again, you just, the same procedure, you just highlight, click once, and then drag, and then you place it here in the folder, which is the easiest way of uploading your grade sheets. And then as you can see, you already have the Excel and LMS file grade sheets in your folder. So if we're going to look at what we have done, you are supposed to have these two folders under school year, the folder name, school year 23-24, second semester finals. Again, please follow the format. Every time you're asked or required to upload your grade sheets, whether it's for prelim, midterm, semifinals, or the finals. So in this case, this is what you're supposed to do if you are going to be required to submit the final grading sheet in Excel, this one, and in LMS form. So I hope you were able to follow this video instruction on how to upload your individual grade sheet files in our official Google Drive. Thank you very much, everyone. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!